Flames of Resilience. Nupi Lan, The Heroes We Aspire. Narrated by Kirsten for 1 Million Heroes. In the darkness of the night, the women of Manipur gathered, clutching their torches tightly. With determined steps and unwavering resolve, they marched through the streets, their torches illuminating the path ahead. Their unified presence radiated strength and courage, inspiring others to join their cause. The torchlight procession symbolized their defiance against oppressive British rule and their demand for justice. It ignited a spark within the hearts of the people, reminding them of their collective power. The sight of these brave women, fearlessly leading the way, became an iconic moment in the history of Manipur, forever etching their legacy of resilience and inspiring future generations to rise against injustice.